Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Only 3 this time. Alright, so how many of you like robots? You do? Well, so do I. I always enjoyed them as a kid, and I still do. So, if you have your creative pencil and you have your creative paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Hey, now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. One of the things I'd like you to take home with this one is put on your creativity hat. That's right. So, what can you do from this lesson is create your own robot. That's right. Change the shape, size, or add textures, and check online or check out some other creativity things. Even check out maybe like a vacuum cleaner or even a food processor or even looking at a car. Put those combination together and you can create your own custom robot just like that. All right, well, thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.